Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ercilia Octavia. I want to present my research with title Utilization of Household Waste to Support Sensory Coordination Intervention for Early Down Syndrome Children. Content slide, introduction, research method, result in discussion, and conclusion. Okay, this is the introduction. Children with Down syndrome have a genetic disorder since they were born due to an error in cell division, non-disjunction. The number of chromosomes is 47 instead of the usual 46, which affect brain performance and physical and mental barriers. Children with Down syndrome, disorder of the central nervous system and deep nerves, including sensory integration. The impact of fixed sensory integration will cause function problem and growth and development of children with Down syndrome. Sensory integration, purposeful adaptive behavior, the process of recognizing, changing, and discriminating sensation from the sensory system to produce a response in the form of purposeful adaptive behavior. And sensory integration is obtained from the influence of sensory input like seeing, hearing, tactile, vestibular, and proprioceptive. One way to intervene in sensory integration in children with Down syndrome is to utilize household waste in the form of plastic, paper, cotton, cloth, and other into new creation in the form of toys, pens, pencil case, and others made with their parents or companion, because it is able to integrate the four senses needed by children with Down syndrome. Therefore, the purpose of this study was can household waste material that are saved or recycled be used as media or tool for sensory coordination intervention for children with Down syndrome from an early age. And this is a research method that we have used. Type of research, qualitative, time and place in Solo Raya, Central Java, in 1 until 6 August 2022, and research subject 5 children with Down syndrome, male and female, 6 until 8 years old. Data collection technique with in-depth interviewing, direct observation, document, receive or observation, and with the purposive sampling with snowball effect technique, and then resource person, 3 therapies, 2 administration of POTA children Java. This is the data analysis technique. Use model Huberman and Miles, and then validity data triangulation. Okay, and this is the result and discussion. 1. Visualization of media or sensory intervention tool made from household waste. And this is the household waste material like bottles, plastic, paper, cotton, cloth, etc. And this is the result of visualization of the vinyl product like bag hanger, bracelet, keychain, coin holder, pot, and then hanging decoration again, and this is pencil case, and etc. The author make creation from household waste material that are shaped or recycled so they can become media tool for sensory coordination intervention for children with Down syndrome from an early age. Yeah. Okay, and this is the two from result. The process of making sensory intervention media or tool made from household waste. Children with Down syndrome done by with their parents or the caregiver's companion. Children recognize household waste material as the basic material for making intervention tool. This is the sample, just one sample for making airplanes like this, and this is the step by step the process, and they are made aircraft. This is carry out activities to recognize the character of the material, the color of the paper, the activity of cutting, gluing, then blowing the yogurt packet to make it sound, the process of making a media intervention, to consider sensory stimulation to be integrated, like this. The sense of hearing by a bell that rings when touched or hit by the wind, and then tactile system by touch a variety of material, character, cultivate creativation, and then proprioceptive with fine motor training, range paper, bottle, plastic, cut, glue, string, orange, and etc. And this is the design, a variety of shape, material, and colors for seeing. We can resume that this is can make sensory integration therapy. And then this the three of our results. Household waste material that are shaped or recycled can be a medium or tool for sensory coordination intervention for children with Down syndrome from an early age. We share 4 questions, and the questions were asked to 5 children with Down syndrome who were represented by their parents or caregivers or companion, and then 3 therapies and 2 potash administration in Central Java. Okay, question 1. 2 children want to be involved in making creation from household waste material, and this is the result. Okay, and question 2. Does the child like to be involved in the process and asks to be repeat because he is happy and wants to imitate? Yes, this is the dominant of the result. And question 3, does the children want to stick, cut, blow, tie, and hear the tinkling sound of the bell on the creation of household waste material? And this is the response. Yes, they are dominant stimulate or give response. And then question 4, can all activities process of making creation from household waste material be used as a medium for intervening sensory coordination for children with Down syndrome from an early age? And yes, this household waste material that shape recycle can be a medium of for sensory coordination, worthy of being a medium for sensory integration, coordination, intervention. And then this is the conclusion. Through a qualitative approach, research made from household waste that is formed or recycled by new creation can fulfill the media or tool of intervention for sensory coordination, sensory integration for children with Down syndrome from an early age. This is because in the preparation of material and when children are in the process of making creation with parents or caregiver or companion, they can integrate the 4 senses to be developed, namely sight, hearing, tactile, and proprioceptive. This activity can be used as an intervention that stimulates the 4 senses of children with Down syndrome aged 6 until 8 years. The success of this intervention depends on the passion of the parents, caregiver, companion of the Down syndrome child. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.